Come on. Try closing the door and then opening it back up.
Ready, go. It sounds like it's ready to kick over.
It might.
Any second now.
Dude, I don't know. Sounds pretty dead to me. Give it a minute to like warm up. 5, 4, 3, go.